6 outlets, including transformer outlets and 4 safety covers. 9 feet cord with GFCI plug. Cord wrap with hang holes. Rugged metal case. OSHA color guidelines alert users to hazardous situations, which may cause minor or moderate injury. 6 outlets, including transformer outlets and 4 safety covers. Cord wrap with hang holes. Top reviews from the United States. I have 2 of these. One is larger. This is perfect for aquariums. It doesn't trip unnecessarily. While a surge protector protects your equipment, a GFI will protect your fish and you. If you are using electricity anywhere that water is a possibility, this isn't a luxury, it's a requirement. Works really well.